Hi, this is Darla Andrew from Rent Portland Homes, and we have another beautiful home here in Southeast, 1213 Southeast Reynolds. It's got a cute detached garage, as you can see right there. Great little front yard. So we'll just go on a little tour here. You walk up the steps. Lots of character at this house. You can see all the great character. Walk in here, and we got brand new carpet. This carpet was put in last week, and it's brand new, so it's great. There's a lot of these beautiful archways in the house, these lovely older lights. Again, we're going to do a tour of a house that's being remodeled here, so excuse the mess, but it'll look great after all this is done. So the original kitchen is intact. You got a lot of cabinetry, big cabinets, a lot of storage, really cute storage everywhere. Little pantry area here. Again, another accent light. And then you actually get a really cute little nook right here, a little sunroom nook. It's a pretty good size too. I'm going to turn around here. Again, we're working on everything. Everything's going to have fresh paint. It's going to be completely redone. We've got beautiful hardwood floors. This is one of the bedrooms. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Again, great little lights everywhere. A lot of storage everywhere, as you can see. And then right over here is your 1 bathroom. Again, you know, we're going to be cleaning up the bathroom, painting. And this tub has been refinished by Miracle Method. And it does actually have a shower. And a lot of storage right there. Great window here to look out in the backyard. You can see all this is going to be cleaned up. The owner's trimming the trees, and there's that great 1-car garage. So it's got a great backyard, fenced. I should say partially fenced over on that side there. If you can see that area there, there's a shorter fence there. Then we walk over here into the 2nd bedroom. Again, the great wood floors, lots of windows, lots of light, and then again, some great features. Takes us back to this great little sunroom, nook, and then we have an outside exterior door here that takes you out to the yard. It's got a screen on it out there, you can't really see it. And then we're going right down to the basement. The washer and dryer hookups are down here, so this unit does not have a washer and dryer. Right there is the hookups, your dryer vent, and then your hookups, you know, you put an overflow right there into that sink. You get a great sink. This is a pretty good sized basement. It's got the upgraded gas furnace, hot water heater here. This basement is great. It's dry. And it's in pretty good condition. And then over here, you have an old cellar. Great storage all through here, if you like to can. So yeah, this house is great. The rent is $16.95. If you go to our website, Rent Portland Homes, you can apply right there. And this home will be finished in about 15 days. It's October 10th now. And be ready to move in by the 1st of November. So again, go to the website, Rent Portland Homes, if you'd like to apply for this home.